Wave at the camera, bitch.
Okay guys, I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I am gonna go get my eyebrows done. They are so bad. Like, look at this unibrow right here. Like, come on now. Why did I have to wait this long? But anyways, I wanted to do it before Christmas because, you know, I don't want crazy brows for Christmas. Ugh, today's just one of those days where I'm literally just like struggling right now. Not mentally or anything, just physically. Like, I'm just so tired. I just want to stay home and do nothing. But I have to clean because it's a mess. Just wanted to be honest with you guys because I don't want to just film and then make it seem like I'm happy because I hate when I do that. Ugh, it makes me so mad. Anyways, I'm just procrastinating even more by talking to you guys. So my eyebrows look amazing. I did my upper lip too, just to kind of get that out of the way. Now I'm gonna go get something for lunch. I'm debating. I hate when I'm this hungry because I can't decide on what I want to eat. I made it to the mall. I am going to get a salad and some onion rings because that sounds good right now. So that's what we're gonna do. It is 7 o'clock. Last time I talked to you, I got my food. Or I was going to go get food, and now it's 7 o'clock because I decided to lay down on the couch for a little while, and I'm gonna get started on cleaning because this place is a mess. Forgot to end the vlog. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I will see you guys for a brand new video. Promise it'll be more eventful, but yeah, bye guys.